Okay, now we're going to use sound and touch while feeling the outer sort of bowl of the pelvis, so the pelvic halves as well as the sacrum. I'm going to start with my right side, and I'm going to touch lightly, and I'm going to start with a sort of deeper O sound. I can make it as gentle or as loud as I want, and I'm going to try to feel that the vibrations of that sound are actually beneath my hands inside the bones of my pelvis. So I'm going to slowly let the hands rock or move along with the sounds that I'm making. So if it feels like I need to stop somewhere, I want to give myself the freedom and the expansiveness to do that. I find that when I really take the time to follow these processes to their end, what is uncovered and what sort of opens in my body and all the various parts can be very powerful and amazing. So I'll demonstrate. So I've touched the various parts of the pelvis that we looked at, the tops and bottoms of the pelvic halves, the sacrum, the pubic bones, the SI joints. And I made this sound and felt, and also I had a visual image arise as I did it, that I was filling all the parts of the bones with this sound, and the vibration was sort of traveling out and making them stronger. Now I'm going to use a similar sound, but instead of viewing in my imagery and felt sense the parts, now I'm just going to let my hands flow along the pelvis however they will. And I'll do this with the same sound and the same ability to pause and allow this to go as long or as short as I want if I'm doing this in a private space in my home. So I'll do that, which will look similar but will feel quite different. So there's really no right or wrong way to do this, as long as it's building sensation and awareness and it's pleasurable in some way to you. I encourage you to explore and feel your own process as it arises and changes. If you enjoyed this video, Sign up for the InBody Space newsletter and share the link with a friend. You can also find original content on Facebook and Instagram.